This
only version.
conference will now be recorded.
So you people are got the latest version only?
I
Who
got
and
it.
all got the CorelDRAW downloaded? Who are downloaded the CorelDRAW? Please message me yes or no. Which version you downloaded? Please in the chat box. Please leave the message. Okay, you have downloaded the 2021. Okay, so then who else? Priyanka, yes. Yes, which version you people are downloaded? Priyanka, yes. Sadia, Sharvani, Shweta. Please message me. I'm just watching here. Just tell me what are the options you people are got. Okay, Noor, you didn't get any.
2021, ma'am.
Okay, please in the chat box leave the message. Leave the message. What are the versions you people are? Shweta, you please leave the message over there. What is the version you have downloaded? Okay. Nobody didn't get X3, X4, X5, any version. Nobody didn't get. X3, X4, X5, X6. Anybody didn't get that message? Those software you people didn't get. You need to talk. Prapujita RV, Yukta Sharma. This is your first class. Prapujita, is it your first class?
No,
Yukta
ma'am.
Sharma.
This is Yukti, ma'am. It's not my first class.
Yukti Sharma. You. This is your first class. Yesterday you have attended the class.
Yes, ma'am. I have attended the class yesterday.
Okay. So all you people are written the notes, right? What I have given.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll go to the software. 8 members are there total. Okay. Sharvani N, you're not downloaded it. Okay. Noor Arfa, she didn't message me still. Okay. Fine. So I will go to start and all programs. In that you have CorelDRAW graphics suite. Okay. So CorelDRAW graphics suite X7 version I have. Okay. Please try to download whatever the options versions I'm using. Please try to download the same thing. Otherwise, whoever downloaded the version, that is also okay. So what you have to do, CorelDRAW graphics suite X7. In that CorelDRAW X7. Okay, please write it. Please write it. Go to start. In that all programs. Again, go to the CorelDRAW graphics suite X7. Please write down all these options, and in that CorelDRAW X7. You have to go to CorelDRAW X7. Over. Okay. So you have to open CorelDRAW X7. Prapujita. Prapujita has left. Okay. So please write it down. Start all programs. In that we have to go to the CorelDRAW graphics suite X7. Okay. So in that we have to click on CorelDRAW X7. Okay. So I have already opened this CorelDRAW file here. Okay. When you will open this file, okay, so you will get a screen like this. Okay. Here, so this is the window where we should do the working of the CorelDRAW. Okay. Sorry, I didn't see. I
No,
didn't share my screen, right? Okay. Okay.
no,
Sorry.
ma'am.
Sorry. I didn't share my screen. Okay. 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 So, huh. Ma'am, can you go little slowly? Yes, I will go very slow. So we'll go to start. Everybody can see my screen, right? Okay. Start all programs in that CorelDRAW Graphics Suite X7. Here, whatever the versions you people will install, so it will be available in the desktop. Otherwise, here we have an option here, CorelDRAW X7. Okay, CorelDRAW X7, any versions you people can download, X3, X4, X5, 2017, 19. Okay, all are similar only. There is no much difference in the tools and any property window or nothing. Okay, so there is a small changes in the color palettes, any effects, those things and all, they may be added. Okay, so what you have to do, it is a very comfortable version. If you go to the CorelDRAW X7, X6, X5 and all those things are, okay, CorelDRAW X7. Okay, I'm clicking on this CorelDRAW X7. Okay, everybody can see my screen, right? Please, you should answer. Yukta, Yukti Sharma, Sharvani, Meghana.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody can see my screen. Please answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'll go to the CorelDRAW. Okay, my CorelDRAW file is already open. Okay, so what I will do, this is the work area. So this place is where we have to do the working place. Okay, so what and all we can create using the CorelDRAW? Anybody having any idea? Yesterday class I told like what and all you can create with the CorelDRAW software. Most familiarly, we can create a logo
Logo and
designing.
business
Yes.
card.
Ah, okay, tell me. Logo design.
Business
Anybody can
card.
answer, no problem. Ah,
Business card, ma'am.
okay, business card, logo designing, magazine cover
Magazine
page.
designing,
Yes, newspaper designs,
visiting
pamphlet
cards,
designs. Okay, tell me what else you can create.
visiting cards,
Yes, yes, you can tell visiting card. Okay, anything you can create, anything in the sense you can go make the fabric designs, or you can make a newspaper designs, pamphlet designs, banners designs, all this books, course material designs, certificate designs, everything we can create with the CorelDRAW software. Okay, so I have opened this CorelDRAW software here. Okay, so here automatically this work area it will come. Okay, so this is the work area. In the scroll mouse, wherever you will keep the mouse, you can zoom in and zoom out. Can you see that? So if I keep the mouse here, mouse point over there, that part only it will get zoom in. So if we keep the mouse over here, it will zoom there itself. Okay, so here left side, all these are the tools. Toolbar, this is a toolbar. Okay, This is the toolbar, and we have right side, we have a color palette. Can you see here? Color palette. In the right side, we have the color palette. Okay. Again, here down also, we have a color palette. Okay, this is a color palette window. Left side, we have a toolbars. These are the different tools we have. Okay, right side, we have a color palette. And this is the work area, and here you people already know these are the menus. Okay, different menus we have. This is we are calling menu bar. Okay, in the upper part, this area, this is the property window. Property window means whatever the tools we are taking, related to that, we have some properties we need to check. So that time we have to use this property window. Okay, everybody is following what I'm saying? Everybody is following? You should unmute and you should tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Other people, I'm not seeing, those people are not answering me. Shweta, Sharvani, and Priyanka, yes. You people are telling yes or no also. Sadia,
Yes.
Meghna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So we will go to the Corel Draw. So here we have a zoom in and zoom out option, and we have a ruler. Can you see this ruler? Okay, this is the ruler. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to the file new. Okay, before that, what I'm saying, we have a ruler window. Why we are using the ruler window? You people have any idea? See, any visiting card designs, logo designing, pamphlet design, poster designs, everything which is having different types of measurements are there. So that according to the measurements only we have to do the designing. Okay, so visiting card having its own measurements, letterhead having its own measurements, and the certificate designs we have to make its own measurements will be there. Posters, it will be coming in a bigger size. Banners, it will be coming in a bigger size. So all are, it is having different shapes and sizes. Okay, so for that reason we have to use the rulers always. According to rulers we have to take the measurements and we have to create the designs. Okay, so please write down the options. I will go to the file new. Okay, in the menu, whatever the options you are getting, please write it down. File new, file new, open, save, save as, import, export. Export is not there available, but you have to write this option. File new, open, open recent also you can write it. File new, open, open recent, close, save, save as, import, export, print. Print option is hiding. So print option is very important. Why means, mainly Corel Draw we are using for printing purpose. Means whatever the designs we are creating, end of the day we have to make the output of printing. Okay, please write the option of file new, open, save, save as, import, export, print. Okay, document properties, all these options you have to write. Document properties, all these options you have to write. document properties. Okay, whoever done, please tell me you people are done, finished writing, because I cannot close it. If I close it, then okay, please write these options: new, open, close, save as, import, export, and print. And there is option here, document properties. Please write down all these options. All are done.
Yes, ma'am.
All are done writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I will do, I will
Yes,
go to the, yes,
ma'am.
yes, okay, okay, fine. So whenever you will open this new file, file new, I will go to the new file. There is a shortcut called Control N. Okay. So I will go to the new file. Whenever you will open the new file, this is a document file. So you have a name, means you have to give the file name. Okay. Any file name you can give it now itself. Otherwise, any document while you are saving the file also, you can give the name of the files. So what I will do, I will just make an index. This is my first file. So that's why I'm making name of the file is index. Next, preset destination means you have to take what is the color combinations, and default file size also we can take it. So we will not go for any of this thing, will not do any changes here. I'll keep it on the custom only. Custom, if you take the custom, then you will get a different sizes like this. So we have A4 size, A3 size, and we have a government legal letter size. Then we have a envelope size. So already here in CorelDRAW we are giving more importance for the file size. So we cannot go out of this. So we have to follow the file sizes always. See, envelope size will be there. And web banners, where we can see the web banners. See, web banners having its sizes will be 120 into 90, 336 into 280. So we have different file sizes will be there. Okay. So we have the letter size also is there, A4 size. So according to the A4 size, can you see the width and height? Width and height of the file. According to the A4 size, there is a width and height will be there. Okay. 210 by 297. So it is taking the measurements with the, you can select with the inches. If I give the inches, then we can it will come 8 by 7. Okay. Then we have a measurement of centimeters. If we are doing the banners, then it we are calculating with the feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet banners and all. So banners, it's a huge size. So we have one more thing here. We have an option called business card. Business card means what? It is a visiting card. So business, if I click on this business card, automatically this size will come. So these are the sizes, or everywhere it is common sizes. Okay, this is a common size. Everybody should follow the same size itself. So that's why they made already business card size here. So we have to follow it the same size. Okay, 3.5 by 2. Okay. So you can give anything, inches, centimeters, and there is options called pixels. Any of the options you can select it, no problem. And how many pages we want in CorelDRAW. If we are doing the book design, otherwise any brochure designs, any pamphlet designs, which is like more than one pages, like 4 pages, 5 pages, 100 pages, we can give n number of pages here. Okay, I'll give 10. Okay, you can click here also, how much ever you want, you can click on the pages here. So how much ever you want, you can give the pages. Okay, 10 pages I will give. You can press 100 also. I'll just give 10. Okay. What is the primary color mode? I told you people there are two different types of color modes are there. RGB and CMYK colors. So RGB colors we are using in the Photoshop. CMYK color we are using in the CorelDRAW. Okay, because we are using for the printing purpose. So printing purpose we don't want the very brighter colors. So CMYK not having the very bright color. So we are using the CMYK color. Okay. Next, resolution. What is resolution? Anybody know what is the resolution? Whenever
The
you people will
clarity,
down, tell me.
the clarity of the image.
Yes, clarity and the quality of the image. So this resolution will tell clarity of the image and the quality of the image. Okay, resolution always come with the 72 to 300. Okay, 72 is the minimum resolution. 300 is the maximum resolution. Okay, resolution is the quality of the image, height and width of the image. Okay, so rendering resolution. So it will calculate it with the DPI, dots per inch. Okay, so now you people have to write this option. Okay, file new. In that you have to go to these options. Please write down these options and all. Name, preset destination, size. You have to give any of the size, A4, letter, business card, anything. Then number of pages. Please write it down all these options. Please, after finishing that, you have to answer me like whether it is over or not. Whoever finished, please tell me yes. Okay. Name, you can give whatever the names you want. Preset destination, you can make the setup like you can take the custom only you should take, and size you can take the letter, business card, or you can make the envelope size, web banners, everything you can take it. Okay, number of pages you can take 100 also, because we have to create the book designs. So that's why we have to use the number of pages will be, we can give 4 500 2 pages also you people can give. Okay, after finishing this rendering resolution, you have to write in the back bracket 72 to 300. What is the full form of DPI? Dots per inch. Dots per inch. Okay, what is the full form of DPI is dots per inch. See, this is the preview mode, the last one. Which mode you want? You want it in a normal mode. So I will click on normal. Okay, over everybody. Over. Sharvani, are you there? Sharvani, Noor, Arfa, Meghana,
Yes, ma'am.
Sadia, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hmm. Tell me, Noor.
The 2021 version doesn't have the view option.
Don't have view option.
Preview.
Preview option is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This preview mode is not there. Okay, only that doesn't matter actually. It will not give much difference and all. Okay, if will give this, I will not touch this only actually. No need to any options you can give it for this. If you want, you can give normal. Otherwise, automatically it will take. Only important part is what is the file size. If you are doing business card means you have to take the business card size only. So this is important. Even name also you can file. You can do it as file save, that you can make it. Only the number of pages and size of the file, these two things only very important. Other things and all it will take very automatically actually. Automatically it will take color code and the resolution, everything it will take the high quality only. Okay, so here we have an option here. This is we are telling portrait mode and the landscape mode. So portrait mode means it will come in the vertical direction. The screen I'll show you. This is the portrait mode. This is the portrait mode. If I'll go to file new, again I'll click on this. See, I'm not doing any changes. I'll just give this one. See, this is the portrait mode and here it is the portrait mode and this is the landscape mode. So portrait mode means it will come in the vertical way. Landscape means it will come in the, so width will be more here width will be more, height will be less. Here height will be more, width will be less. Okay, so this is the file size. Actually visiting card size means it will be very small size. Okay, so here I will go to the file new. Again, whatever the file size you have taken, see this one is, I'll go to the letter size. Letter, this is a bigger size, 8.5 by 11. See, this is a bigger size. You can check the file size here. Okay, so everything it is looking big here only. So when you will take the print out, according to that size only it will come. Okay, so next, so when you will open this window, okay, file, in the property option here, can you see here, there is a option here. You can make the changes here. So you can make it changes of business card. You can convert it business card to letter, letter to legal listing, government legal, any options you can select it. See, envelope size, I have changed to envelope size. Always you have to, for zoom in you have to use the middle mouse button. For scrolling thing, okay, you have to use the middle mouse button for scrolling. Can you see that? Okay, so whatever the options, after opening this you can do the changes here. Before designing only you have to do the changes, not after the design you cannot make it, because the sizes will change means design also it will change. So here, okay, you can do the changes here. Any size, business size, A4 size, whether you want it in portrait or landscape mode, any of the designs you can change it. Okay, see how many pages we have taken here, 1 2 3 4. So totally how many pages are there? See, 8 9 10 pages are there. Can you see that how many pages we have? We have so many pages are there, but all pages are empty. We don't have anything in the all the pages. Okay, okay, you people have written all these options, right? File new and all these options you have written. So now we will go to the tools now. Please write it down, all the tools name. We have pick tool. Next one is the freehand pick tool. Please write it down. Tool, you have to make a heading of tools. Corel Draw tools. You have to make the heading of Corel Draw tools. pick tool, freehand pick tool, okay, free transform tool. Please write it down all these tools. Corel Draw, X7 tools. Because in some of the system you people are downloading different version, means maybe the tool will be, it will be here and there. All the tools are available. It may be changed to somewhere down, somewhere here, up to somewhere like this. It may be changed. Next one is the tool name. You have to see, once you will click it, the tool will not visible. You have to left click and you have to press, hold it. You have to use the left click and you have to hold the left click, then you can see the all the tools. You can see all the tools. Okay, second one is shape tool. Shortcut is F10. You have to write all this tool name. Shape tool, smooth tools, mirror tool, twill, attract, ripple, smudge, roughen. So please write all these tools name. Smooth tool, smear tool, twill tool, attract tool, appeal, ripple, smudge and roughen. Okay. Next one is, whoever not written, please you have to, if you ask, I will open this window. Okay, all are written, right, this tool. Next one is crop tool. There is an option here, crop tool, knife tool, eraser tool, crop tool, knife tool and eraser tool. Crop tool, knife tool and eraser tool. Okay, next one is zoom tool. Okay, you have to left click and you have to hold it, left click on that and you have to left press the left click and you have to hold it, then it will come there, zoom and pan tool. You have to write this option, zoom and pan. Please write it down, this option, zoom and pan. Shortcut is Z, pan shortcut is H. If you press in your keyboard, it will come zoom and pan. Okay. Next one is, left click on this. Can you see a small button over there? That means there are so many tools are there. Okay, there is small arrow mark is there in the downward. So that option is there, means inside this there are so many tools are there. Okay, here only one tool is displaying here, but inside that we have so many other tools are there. Please write it down all this option with the shortcut, freehand tool, 2-point line tool, bezier tool, pen tool, B-spline, polyline, 3-point curve, smart drawing. Freehand tool, 2-point line tool, bezier tool, pen tool, B-spline, polyline, 3-point curve, smart drawing. Done? Everybody is writing? Everybody can see my window? Please, girls should answer.
Yes, ma'am, we are writing.
Okay. So next one is, here you have to go. See, in this there is no much options are there. You have to click on here. See, inside this there is no. So that's why there is no arrow mark here. This is artistic media tool. Okay. This is the artistic media tool. Shortcut is I. Artistic media tool. Artistic media tool. Shortcut is I. Artistic media tool, shortcut is I. Next one, click on here. There is a tool name rectangle tool, shortcut is F6. Next one is 3-point rectangle tool. Rectangular tools, shortcut is F6. 3-point rectangular tool. Three-point rectangle tool. Okay. Rectangle tool, shortcut is F6. Next one is 3-point rectangle tool. Next one is ellipse tool, shortcut is F7. In that, 3-point ellipse tool. Ellipse tool, shortcut is F7. 3-point ellipse. 3-point ellipse. Over. Ellipse. 3-point ellipse. Okay. I'll click on this. Okay. We have different tools here. Go to first one, polygon. Shortcut is Y. Next one is the star. Complex star. Next one is a tool name graph paper. The shortcut is D. And the spiral tool, shortcut is A. And the basic shapes. So we have basic shapes here, arrow shapes, flowchart shapes, banner shapes, and call out shapes. We have shapes like this: basic shapes, arrow shapes, flowchart shapes, and banner shapes, and call out shapes. Polygon tool, star tool, complex star tool, graph paper, spiral, basic shapes, arrow shapes, flowchart shapes, banner shapes, call out shapes. Okay, we have these tools. Finished writing? Unmute and you should tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Over. Okay. Next one is, if you click on here, we have two options here, text tool and the tables. We have a text, shortcut is F8, and the table. Text tool, shortcut is F8, and the table. Text tool and the table. Next one, you have to write this option: parallel dimension, angular dimension, segment dimension, horizontal or vertical dimension. parallel dimension, angular dimension, segment dimension, horizontal or vertical dimension. Parallel dimension, horizontal or vertical dimension, angular dimension, segment dimension. Over. Next one is connector, straight line connector, right angle connector, rounded right angle connector. Straight line connector, right angle connector, rounded right angle connector. Straight line connector, right angle connector, rounded right angle connector. Straight line connector, right angle connector, rounded right angle connector. Next one is the edit anchor. So please write all the four options. Okay. Next one is we have these are the effects. Okay. Please write it down. Very important tool it is. Drop shadow, contour, blend, distort, envelope and extrude. Drop shadow, contour, blend, distort, envelope and extrude. Drop shadow, contour, blend, distort, envelope, extrude. Drop shadow, contour, blend, distort, envelope and extrude. Over. Next, we have an option called transparency tool. Please write it down. This option also. Transparency tool. Transparency tool. Okay. Next, we have an option called color eyedropper, attribute eyedropper. Color eyedropper tool. Next one is the attribute eyedropper. Color eyedrop and the attribute eyedrop. Okay. Next we have an options interactive fill. Shortcut is G. And next one is mesh fill. Shortcut is M. Interactive fill shortcut is G. Mesh fill shortcut is M. Interactive fill shortcut is G. Mesh fill shortcut is M. Next one is smart fill tool. Last one, you have to write this one, smart fill tool. Okay. Smart fill tool. You have to write down this option, smart fill tool. This you people are written interactive fill, mesh fill, and we have an option here, smart fill tool. All are done. Anybody having any doubts? Shweta, are you available? Shweta, are you there? You have any doubt? Shweta, you have any doubt? Sharvani, Noor Afra, Meghana,
No, ma'am. No doubt, ma'am.
Shweta,
No, ma'am.
you're not there. Sadia, are you there? Yukti Sharma, Prapujita, are we? Shweta, are you there? Okay. So what we'll do? Okay. So we'll go to this tool. So pick tool. So I will start with the file open. Okay. File new, you people already know what will happen with the file new. Control N is the shortcut. Next we'll go to the file open. Any images, any Corel Draw file we have to open means we have to give file open. Okay. Any of the Corel Draw file we have to open means we have to give the file open. Okay. Open recent file. We don't have now recent file. Okay, we'll come back for this save as, because we are not did anything with this. Okay, so if you click on this, double click on this, then you will get the property window of the screen. See, whatever the screen you have taken here, that is the, you can increase and decrease the size of this, and here you can give your own measurements. See here, I am increasing the measurements. 290 it is there. I will make it to 300. I can give my own measurements. I'll give 500. So it will take with the whatever the value. 210 is there. I will make it 250. No, I don't want to. I don't want this. This is the height. I'll make it. I want very small height. Then I'll make it 100. So width is more. 500 width and 100 is the height. So here width is more. Height is less. Width is more. Height is less. Okay. See here. You can customize the sizes here. Okay, you can customize the sizes, you can give your own any of the sizes you can give it. Otherwise you want whatever the standard sizes here they given, all the standards file size you can take. I'll take 4 size like this. Okay, this is a ruler. Left click on this, you can drag and you can keep it like this. Left click on this, you can drag and you can keep it like this. Both the side you have a ruler. Suppose we want to leave for the margin, so that's why we are using this option. So what and all we can create using the CorelDRAW software. Here some of the things we have. See, these are the logo designs. We can create it using the CorelDRAW software. Okay, this is the logo design. We can create this Olympic logo and this Pepsi logo. Okay, we can create different logos like that. See, we have with the text we created some logos and all. Okay, so we have different logos. See, BMW logo is here. See, all these are created in the CorelDRAW. See, this is the brochure design, autumn sale, special offer today only 25% off. So this is a thing also created in CorelDRAW. And this is the logos. This is the logo which we are use the curve shapes. See, everywhere we have curve shapes. This logo we are not did with the basic shapes. This is little difficult to make the curve shapes here. See, all these curve shapes, everything we can create it. See here, all these diamond shapes and all. Okay, see here, this is something related to restaurant. See, all these logos are which is related to restaurant. See, all logos, it will always define the hotel management, hotel restaurants, all these things. And this is the visiting card designs. So here the quality of the visiting card design is not good. So what and all we have to add it in the visiting card? Anybody can tell? Please tell me what and all we have to add in the visiting card. What and all we should mention only in the visiting card? Anybody can tell? Sharvani, please tell what are the information we have to add in the visiting card design? Sharvani, Yukti, Meghana, anybody can tell? Noor Afra, Sharvani and please message me, chat with me, all available. Shweta, Sharvani, Noor Afra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. My voice is audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are writing the option.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Sharvani, Noor, you can tell me the what and all informations we have to add it in the visiting card design.
Ma'am, first of all, the name of the company.
Hmm.
Then after that, what like the address, the contact number, the email ID, the
Huh.
visiting hours,
Hmm.
or the contact, whenever they are available, those timings.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Those
I think,
timings and all we have to add it in the visiting card. Timings
yeah,
and all.
because the person has to know when that other person is available, right?
Which is necessary, those things only we have to add it in the visiting card. Only the name, designation, and the company name, and if possible address, otherwise the mail ID, that much is enough. Then it will become a poster design, then poster or this thing, what is that, pamphlet designs. What time, where, all those things we cannot add it, we should not add in the visiting card. Visiting card should have very simple text should be there in the visiting card design. Okay, we cannot add everything in the visiting card itself. Okay. Next, what I will do, I will go to some tools here. Can you see here? There is an option here. If you click and hold it, there is a tool called rectangular tool. So I will take this rectangle, I will add it here, rectangular shape. Can you see that? So you will get all these points here. So I have added the how many rectangles I want, I can add how much ever I want, I'm adding it. Okay, using the selection tool, you can select it, whatever the rectangles you want, you can select it, how much ever you want, you can select it. You can select it, and you can, this is the, these are the points to scale the image. To scale the image means, here you can increase the width and you can increase the height of this. Okay, scaling, we have to use this option. You can increase the height and width of this. See, you can increase the height and width of this. Okay, if you click on here, you will get the option of rotation. Can you see the option of rotation? Here we have an option of rotation. Okay, if you once if you will click here, then the selection tool will come. If you click once again, then the rotation option will come. Then you can click on left click and hold it, and you can rotate it how much ever you want, you can rotate it. So while I'm rotating, can you see here in the property window what are the changes are happening? See here, can you see that 352? Okay, those are the changes are happening. So if I don't want this, what I will do, I will select this one using this pick tool. Whatever the shapes you have to take means you have to use this pick tool. Pick this and delete. I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. Delete this, select it and delete it. Okay, now I'll select once again rectangular tool. See, whenever you are selecting here, can you see in the upper part there is a X and Y direction will be there. So it is moving, keep on moving. If I'll give more values, it will give 249, 270. So like this. So if I'll reduce it, it will give 139 like that. Okay. So if you want, you can select it like this and you can give like this 300. See, it is increasing the position. X2, X and Y is the position. See, I will moving here. Only the positions are increasing. X and Y both are the positions. So wherever I want, exactly where we have to keep this box. So that time we have to use the position window here. I will select here and I will give 250. It is going out of the screen, out of the work area. Okay. So how much ever you want. Otherwise you can manually, you can do the changes like this. You can keep it like this. Okay, so here scaling the options 181 by 107, 107. So I'll give 250 for this. So it is increasing the width, and here 107. If I'll give 150, it is increasing the height of this. So here it is 500. I will give, it is increasing the width of this, and here it is, I want only 50. So it is decreasing the height of that. Okay, both the telling height and width, and here these two are telling about the dimension, means positions where exactly you have to keep this object. So where you should keep this object according to the same measurements we want, it means we have to adjust it. Okay. Next, in the right side, what we have? We have a color palette. Okay. Select the shape and give any color. In the right side, you have a color palette. Just click on any of these things. You have a color palette. Okay. You have the color palette in the right side. Okay. Whatever the colors you want, you can do the changes of the colors. You can add n number of shape. You can select it like this. How much ever you want, you can add it. Whatever the size you want, you can add it. You can add different boxes here. I'll go to the this one pick tool. I have to exit from this tool. I'll go to the pick tool and I will select it and I will give the color. I will select it and I will give the color. Select it and give the color. Select it and give the color. Okay, whatever the things you want, you can give the color for that. Anybody having any doubt? Okay. Now in the page 1, I am doing this one with the page 1. Okay, because in the file new, I have taken only one page. That's why number of pages will be 1. Okay. If I have taken file new 10 pages, then it will come 10 pages here only. Okay, I have opened so many CorelDRAW software files. Okay, all are there. Sadia, any doubt you have? Yukti Sharma,
No, ma'am.
any nobody is getting doubt? Sharwani, all are there. Prapujita has left.
No, ma'am, I'm in the meeting.
So, but you nobody is answering why. Okay. So like this, if you don't want means you have to, you can select everything and you can delete it. You can select it everything and you can delete it. Control Z, it will come back. Control Z for undo means one step backward. You can go one step backward using the Control Z. See, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. See what happened now? Everything it is going from the beginning. It is starting from the beginning. So starting I have added the box, next one more box I have added. So like that I have added so many boxes like this. Any mistakes you people are did, you can go back, control Z, you can make it and you can do the changes of that. Okay. I will delete it. So I will go to here, rectangular tool. I will select it once again. And here we have an option. I always go to the pick tool. Selection tool also we can tell. Can you see some multiple options are there here? I will click on here. There is an option here, this shape. Okay. Please write it down. Please write it down, rectangle tool. In that we have all these options: positions, scaling, rotation. Position, scaling, Here it is telling, see, when you will go to, when you will take the mouse, object position, it is telling the option in the property window. It is telling the options: object position, object size, object rotation, angle of rotation. Please write it down, all these options. These are the very basic options. Here it is telling object position, object size, and object rotation. All are writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, now we have different shapes. So what we have to do, whenever I'll click on here, can you see the outline here? Can you see the pen mark here? So using this, we can increase the outline width. Outline thickness of the outline, we can increase it. Here I will give 10. Here I'll give 4. Otherwise, if I'll give hairline means very thin outline you will get. And if you don't want outline means you will go to the none. None option means you don't have any outline. If I'll give little outline I want means hairline outline. Okay, hairline outline will be there. Very thickness outline means 10 will be there. 10, this is the thickness of the outline. Okay, I will reduce it. Now I have different shapes are there. So I will go to the shape tool. Can you see one more tool is here? The tool name is called shape tool. Why we are using this shape tool means there is a points. Can you see that 4 points? So if we click and left click on this, and you have to take it out in take it to inside. So it will increase the size of this. It will change the shape like this. Okay, everybody is getting. So it is changing the shape like this. If we'll add some more shape design, see here. Like this, if you click, you have to click on one point and you have to change the shape of this. It will not work for any other direction, only straight direction only it will work. It will, according to this only it will work. And this tool also like this only. Okay, shapes you will get it like this. See, whenever I'm doing the changes here, can you see here corner radius and corner radius? Please write it down, this option also. Please write it down, this tool option also. Round corner and scalped corner and chamfered corner. Please write it down, these three options: round corner, scalped corner, chamfered corner. Okay, so manually also you can do the shape changes.
Ma'am, can you repeat once again?
Okay, round corner, round corner, scalped corner, and chamfered corner. You people can see my screen, right? Okay, so round corner, scalped corner and chamfered corner. So any of the options you will select it, and we have the manual values also. Manually, any of the designs you need it manually. I'll give 50. It will come like this only 50. See how much ever the curves you want. You want such a big curve or you want a small curve. So what kind of curves you want? So those curves and all we have to give the manual values. So I'll give 100. Then the curve size will become bigger. 25. Curve size will become little small. Okay. Okay. Now here down, whatever the colors we used here, automatically it will. This is the color property window. Automatically colors will come here only. Okay. And here we have an option here in the down. We can directly select the color from here itself. We can directly select the color from here also. We have option here. Can you see in the down? There is a tool called paint bucket tool. I will select this one and I can select whatever the colors I want. Just give OK. I'll select here color. Here it is showing C is 69, cyan is 69, magenta is 100, yellow is 0, black is also 0. So I can select whatever the colors you want. According to that, right side, can you see the values of the right side? CMYK color, it is changing. See, I'm changing the colors and all. According to that, CMYK color is changing. This is the color code. We are telling this is the color code. Please write it. This one, edit fill. Edit fill. Edit fill. In that, we have to write the CMYK and please write the color code. Done, everybody? Done, everybody? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to change the color of the outline. So that time I will select here. Can you see this pen mark? I will select like this. And here we have an outline color. So I will select whatever the colors you want. I'll select the outline color and I'll just give OK. So it will apply. Okay. If I click on here, again I'll go to the outline, double click or left click, anything you can make it. Double click on that. We have outline color and we have a thickness of the outline. How much ever thickness I want, I can give the thickness of the outline. And the style also like that. We have dotted styles you want. Any of the options you can select it. See, like this it will come. Can you see that dotted lines? Okay. You have to double click on the text layer and we have multiple options are there. We have different styles are there, outlines are there. Okay. None. If you give none means you don't get any outline. You cannot give the color, anything you cannot make it. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? Now you people should answer me. Shweta, share me your notes whatever till now whatever you written. Shweta, Sharvani, anybody, please share your notes. Noor Afra, Meghana, Yukti Sharma, Prapujita, Sadia, please share me your notes. Please unmute and you have to talk and share me your notes. In your system also there is an option called share. Using that you can share your notes. I want to check who and all written the notes. Noor, please share me your notes. Sharwani,
Ma'am, we've written it, so how do we share the notes?
there is a option there. Share option is there.
Ma'am, but we've written it on our notebooks. In our notebooks, so
Oh, in your notebook you have written. Okay, okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please share it me by WhatsApp. Okay, everybody. Because according to the notes, what you people are written, I will give the attendance today. Because nobody is talking. Shweta, Sharwani, I don't know these girls are there or not. Because so whoever they're not asking me the question also, they're not communicating with me also. So whoever sharing me the notes by WhatsApp, I'll give them attendance. Otherwise, I'll put absent for them.
Mom, can I see mine? I'm sharing it, Mom.
Where it is? This mobile.
Yes, Mom. You can see that?
Mm. Where? Ah, okay. So like this only I asked everybody. Yes, yes, yes. I can see that. Okay.
Yes, Mom.
Hmm. What about Shweta, Sharwani, Meghana, Yukti Sharma, Sadia? Noor, I'm unable to see your notes. You can send me by WhatsApp, no problem. I just want to check like whether all you people are writing the notes or not. Okay, okay. I saw. Only Noor and Prapujita giving me answer. What about Sadia, Sharwani, Yukti, Meghna, Shweta? Nobody is answering me. Okay, shall I put absent for these people? Yes, I saw Sadia is okay. And other girls? Meghna is okay. Okay, done, done. Sadia is okay. Meghana is okay. Next, who is left? Yukti, you are sharing the notes. Okay, fine. What about Shweta and Sharwani? So these two people are absent. They're not present in the class. Shweta and Sharwani. Okay. So what I will do? I will next class. I will this try to download the Corel Draw version. Okay. Whatever the version I'm using, try to download that version only. So, and whatever the notes I have given, please try to follow that notes only. Please check all the options here. File new, in that please check all the options here. Okay, and add so many boxes here. Please be comfortable with whatever the tools I have started. Rectangular tool, and this the color palette tool. Okay, so how to save the file? You have to go to here, file, save as, in the format of CDR format. Okay, we have different file format which is separate supporting Corel Draw is CDR format, Adobe Portable Document format, Adobe Illustrator format. Okay, so you have to write this option here, file format to save. Corel Draw file, write it, File save as. Please write it down. File save as. These are the options. You have to save always in the CDR format only. Adobe Portable Document format, Adobe Illustrator format, CDR Corel Draw format. Write it down whatever the things are. Adobe Portable Document format, PDF format, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe this Corel Draw format. Corel Draw format. Okay. Just you have to save the file. Please make a one folder in the desktop. Please make one folder in the desktop. Make a folder like how I made a folder here. New folder. Corel Draw works. Any just make a folder like this. Corel Draw works. Something all the images, shapes, whatever the files you people are taken, everything it should be there in this folder only. Okay, so I have kept the note, all my notes, images, anything, everything it should be there in the one folder itself. Okay, Corel Draw works, anything, Corel Draw class, you just make a folder there itself. You have to save the file. Okay, got it everybody? Everybody is getting what I'm saying?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
save the file. Okay, save the file. Okay, anybody having any doubt? Please, whatever the works you people are done, share with me in the group. There is a WhatsApp group. Maybe we have created that WhatsApp group. So please share me whatever the works you did. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I leave the class?
Excuse me,
Shall I
ma'am.
end the class?
Ma'am.